Good morning to all of my savvy real estate investors out there. Did you know that the way that you file your Schedule E on your tax returns can actually affect your ability to purchase property in the future? Let's take a really quick down and dirty look as to things that you can write off and lower your taxable income that a lender can add back and give you maximum credit for. So on this Schedule E, I chose a short-term rental as the type of property that we're going to look at. Total rents received are on line 3, and everything here below are things that I can actually add back and that you can write off and reduce your total taxable income. One thing I want to give a little more information on is this other line. Other is your HOA dues. If you have HOA dues on your property, you can write those off as well, and we can add that back. So now that you've written these particular things off, your total taxable income is $84,400, but these happen to be things that I can add back. So the income I'm using to help you qualify is right back up here at $125,000. Now, one little box that you have to pay particular attention to is this fair rental days. It gets ignored, but it's super important. It's super important. If you put 180 days, let's say it's a short-term rental, doesn't always rent out, or let's say you bought the property in the middle of the year. You put 180 days rented on here. Now I can take that $125,000 and divide it by the 180 days, making that income up at about $20,000 a month and change. Versus, let's say you don't think this line's important and you put 366 on there, or CPA is just trying to get through it, doesn't realize how important it is. Now I have to take that $125,000, divide it by 366 days. Now we're looking at $10,000 a month in income. Listen, that is a huge difference for qualifying. So take the extra time while you're filing your tax returns. Look at that line, look at those items. We can even send you a little cheat sheet that you can download and look at for the things that the lender can add back. Put yourself in position to buy more investment properties for yourself and with us in the future. Stay tuned for some additional tax tips that'll be coming your way.